Hey there, welcome back to FrequencyClick. My name is Ivan. Today, we're going to be talking about a common headache for website owners, website errors. Specifically, we're going to cover how to fix some of the most common website errors such as 404 pages, broken links, and missing images. Be sure to stick around till the end. And before starting, if it's not already done, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Let's start with 404 errors. When a user clicks on a link to a page that no longer exists on your website, they will be redirected to a 404 error page. This can be frustrating for users, and if there are too many 404 errors on your website, it can also affect your search engine rankings. So, how do we fix this? First, you need to identify which pages on your website are generating 404 errors. You can do this by using a tool like Google Search Console or a third-party tool like Ahrefs. Once you have identified the pages with 404 errors, you have a few options. Option 1. Redirect the broken link to a new page. If the page that the user was looking for no longer exists, you can redirect the broken link to a new page on your website that is similar in content. This will help retain users on your website and prevent them from bouncing off. Option 2. Create a custom 404 error page. If you cannot redirect the broken link to a new page, you can create a custom 404 error page that is branded and provides helpful information to the user. This will help retain users on your website and prevent them from bouncing off. Now, let's talk about broken links. Broken links are links on your website that point to pages that no longer exist or have been moved. These can also affect your search engine rankings and frustrate users. So, how do we fix this? First, you need to identify which pages on your website have broken links. You can do this by using a tool like Ahrefs or Broken Link Checker. Once you have identified the pages with broken links, you have a few options. Option 1. Fix the broken link. If the page that the link is pointing to has been moved or deleted, you can fix the link by updating it with a new URL. This will help retain users on your website and prevent them from bouncing off. Okay, wait. If you are finding this content helpful, please show your support by liking and sharing with others who may benefit. Additionally, if you have any other tips, suggestions, or inquiries, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I look forward to hearing from you. So now, this is the second option I have for you. Remove the broken link. If the page that the link is pointing to no longer exists, you can remove the link altogether. This will prevent users from clicking on a link that leads to nowhere. Lastly, let's talk about missing images. Missing images are images on your website that cannot be found or have been deleted. These can affect the user experience and make your website appear unprofessional. So, how do we fix this? First, you need to identify which pages on your website have missing images. You can do this by using a tool like Google Search Console or a third-party tool like Ahrefs. Once you have identified the pages with missing images, you have a few options. Option 1. Replace the missing image. If the image has been deleted, you can replace it with a new image. This will help retain users on your website and prevent them from bouncing off. Option 2. Remove the image altogether. If the image is not crucial to the content on the page, you can remove it altogether. This will prevent users from seeing a broken image and make your website appear more professional. In conclusion, website errors can be a headache for website owners, but with a few simple fixes, you can improve the user experience and retain users on your website. By identifying which pages on your website have 404 errors, broken links, and missing images, you can take the necessary steps to fix them and provide your users with a seamless browsing experience. Remember to regularly check your website for errors and stay on top of any updates or changes. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to a high-performing website that keeps your users engaged and coming back for more. Thank you for tuning into this video on how to fix common website errors. If you found this content helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.